In this video, I'm going to show you how to book with Ezi. First, choose the type of cleaning you need. Next, choose what needs cleaning, how many bedrooms, and how many bathrooms. Now you choose when you need the cleaning, what time, and how long, and whether you need it on a regular basis. Next, enter your phone number so that we can get in touch with you, your full name, and the address that needs cleaning. You may also attach extra notes or ways to access your residence if you are not around. Now simply choose one of the available options with their pricing. You will now be able to review your booking details. Next, you'll also fill up your payment information. This payment information is stored securely by Stripe, our payment processor. Next, you'll also be asked for an SMS code. This SMS code should be sent to your phone number. Your booking information will now be available, and you will also be texted an SMS with the details as well. You are also able to open the app and review your booking details or modify and adjust them as you wish.